This 2013 Maserati GranTuismo MC Stradale is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GranTurismo MC Stradale convertible carbon fiber, leather steering wheel carbon fiber interior trim carbon fiber back seats, covers carbon fiber rear spoiler 20-inch block, MC alloy wheels 4.7L V8 engines F6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters navigation system boasts premium sound system rear parking aid heated front seats memory seats XN and headlights adaptive light control system power automatic windows cruise control auto power and heated exterior mirrors keyless entry Maserati MC alloy wheels white exterior black leather interior black convertible soft top. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2013 Maserati GranTurismo MC Stradale convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gal, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.